back again. Halloween time. She's doing it. I'm gonna be making something really cool today. It's going to be inspired by the sculptress herself. If you don't know who she is, follow her on Instagram. Beautiful purple eye look using some of these holographic stickies. So yeah, I really want to use the stickies. The word of the day is stickies. Coming for you, Nikki Tutorials. Let's start with the eyes because I don't want to get any fallout. I'm using the Becca Cosmetics and I am using the number 2 on here, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna put that all, let me prime. Rookie move. I'm gonna prime my eye. She right, we're gonna prime both the eyes. We're gonna tap it, tap it, tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, teal. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, teal. Tap it, teal. Tap it, teal. Okay. And then we go in with this one. And we're just gonna put it all over the crease. It's gonna be a nice little transition color. I definitely wanna use glitter because you know how I feel about glitter. I wanna go in with like a transition. I wanna go from like an orange to a purple. I'm gonna use the Off Tropic palette by NYX. And it looks like this. And it's amazing. You see all the bright colors? Ooh. So I'm gonna use this like orangey, and I'm gonna use this purpley, and I'm gonna use this pinky, and it's gonna be great. So we're gonna start with a really flat brush because we're gonna we're gonna pack it in case you guys don't understand poly. And we're gonna start right here on this corner like this, and we're gonna bring it up pretty high because I want this to be dramatic. What is even the point? You gotta be extra like avocado. You pay enough for it, why would you wanna be like it? You want people to pay extra for you? Then do it. I'm probably gonna go in to the inner corner with an even brighter orange. So like this, I've already like, and then with boom, 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 let me hear you say well, like these. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the pinky. Intense, like this. Back. And because we're not wearing any concealer right now, we can just whip it away or use a baby wipe or a makeup remover and just be like, see ya. And really load it up. And we're gonna go in there with the purples. And we're gonna back up. And this is where we're gonna go into the darker, deeper set. And what I wanna do is kind of make it almost like that. We'll come back to it. We'll perfect it. It always looks a little jacked up before we finish. So be patient with me, people. Going back and forth to really intensify those colors. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. And then we're gonna start blending. Got a problem? Blend. Very good. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blendy. And it looks like she kind of used a bit of like darker blue. And I'm gonna use the Jaime Carlo palette, James Charles. Jaime Carlo is what I call him because we're cool like that. We're cool like that. We're cool like this one right here. It's like purpley. Is this gonna help? Oh, this is perfect for this. Yes, honey. Okay, I'm gonna go back in. I can go back in with that transition Becca color that I had earlier. Remember? Remember that color? I remember. Boom, 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 boom. And just barely touching like that, very slowly. This kind of helped create a really soft transition. In case you guys forgot, you can even go back with some of this NYX purple, the very like bright one, into the crease. And then go back in with that first blue from the Jaime Carlo palette. You see how I'm concentrating? I'm so proud of myself. Let's see what Jaime Carlo's pink does. Not gonna lie, Jaime Carlos has a really good palette. Good for you, Jaime Carlo. Okay, I'm gonna bring that down, actually, the Jaime Carlo one. That one's way brighter for some reason. Like this looks really bright, but when I put it on here, it just doesn't do the payoff as well. Maybe it's because I don't have a really good primer. If this one can do it without a really good primer. Going with a little orange and like this. You see? It's beautiful. All right, so when I come back, both eyes are going to be done, okay? See you in a bit, homies. All right, it's done. I grabbed the brighter orange from the Jaime Carlo. This one. And I just went up here to kind of separate the little crease. But other than that, that was off. I'm going to go in with one of these. And I'm going to clean up. Massage it in upwards because we want to prevent wrinkles. And lift and lift. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put on our foundation. Again, I'm going in with the final drop. The NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna mix it with the Conceal Contour Highlight Retouch Batufase. Put it everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Pump, pump. Ooh, ooh. Bring it down, bring it down. Concealer. 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 Conceal. Disaster. Disgrace. I set with powder before the wrinkles. That's all set. I'm gonna do the bottom of the eye, the eyebrows. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna grab a bigger, denser brush and I'm gonna bring the purple well into in here in my eyebrow. That way it kind of looks like it's going like this. Like that, you see? Yes! And as you can tell, I'm kind of just concentrating on the tail end of the eyebrow to make sure it's like whoosh. Now, I'm gonna start doing the skull part of my transformación. Kind of feel around vibrant stuff and bottom. Do the same thing. And just realign. Really get in there. And I'm using the Wolf Face paint palette. It's water based. If you didn't see it in my last video, we're using this. You can keep thickening this out until you want it makes a shape that you prefer. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go back in with that packing brush and finish painting that in. Go. So you can tell I'm like really concentrating. Now I'm gonna go back in and do some black. Now I'm gonna start blending with some white eyeshadow, face paint with my this eye. Use the white eyeshadow in the Jaime Carlo palette. Back it in, back it in, back it in. There we go. Much better. Perfect. All right, so now I'm going to create the socket of the eye like this, like you would a skull, using the pink from the from the Jaime Carlo palette like this. So if you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. Go in there with the purples that he has. Kind of bring it out really wide. And then slowly create a more harsh line. See a darker one. Like so. Like that. Make sure to fill those gaps in. I love that. We're gonna do this with the darker eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna stick with the Jaime Carlo palette since he's doing me right. And slowly we're gonna gradient this to a purple. Alrighty, go back with my white. I love that. Salmon-y color. I like this. All right, now I'm gonna do my lippy. And I think I wanna do my lippy black because it really stands out. I'm gonna keep it pointy on the bottom like I did in my last look. And I'm just using the water-based paint. And don't be afraid to go back in there. Really perfect this. This is your art. You're gonna be wearing this. You might as well make sure it comes out exactly how you want it. I'm gonna grab these really like fake looking eyelashes because today is the day. I'm gonna connect the whole liner together. I wanna add some of these everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna grab some and put them right here in the inner corners. Let's start there. Little babies. Here we go, babies. Awesome. So these, I'm gonna kind of just follow my Rose and Thorns tutorial. If you haven't seen that, there's gonna be a link for it in the description for my Thorns and Roses video. Click on it if you wanna see how I attach these. All right, see you in a bit. I'm back. How's it look? I just added the flowers like I did on my last video, the one that's gonna have a link in the bottom. Remember to link to see how I attach these roses. It's not that hard, I promise you. And then tucked in my hair, this was $1. This was $1. This was $1. These lashes were $1. You can do this on a budget. Last minute girl, home girl, I've been there. I know what you're going through. Just go to the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree, go to all the dollar store. I found a little sticky that just fit perfectly right here from another little set. I swear these little stickies and the face paint were the most expensive part. Find them at Nigel's and Namies. So easy, I promise. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and follow me on Instagram at Sunshine Polly with 3 L's if you want to see about my life and what I do. And, you know, if you like me. Bye. Happy Halloween. Are they gone? Are they gone? I can't keep smiling like